Alright, so guys, welcome back. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your um, Facebook ad account. Right, so go to business.facebook.com, right, to create your ad account. So once you come to this interface, they're going to ask you to log into business tools. Right, they will ask you to log in with either Facebook or you log in with either Instagram, right? So you want to make sure that you have logged in your Facebook account here before, right? You want to make sure that you have logged in your normal Facebook account. You have logged in your normal Facebook account in a second tab before coming to business.facebook.com, so that you can just click on login to log in with your Facebook, right? Once that is done, you'll be able to um, access the Meta Business Suite interface, right? So let me just show you how to do that right now. Right. So come to business.facebook.com. Right. Okay. Now, if you come to if you know by default, once you come to business.facebook.com, after you have logged in with your Facebook, it will prompt you to create a business manager. Right. Just click on create to create your business manager. But let's say I already have one, and that's why I'm not having that option now. Right. But this is a way you can also go around it. Once you come to this Meta Business Suite, click on this arrow here, this arrows here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're able to create a business portfolio. Right. By default, once you just if you don't have a business account, by default, once you come to business.facebook.com, you log in with your normal Facebook account, the screen is going to prompt you to create your business portfolio, right? But since I've already do that, you can still come here. Once you come to this part of your screen, this Meta Business Suite, this drop down arrow here, click on it, right? Click on it. Then you're going to see an option that says create a business portfolio, right? Create a business portfolio. Click on it, right? It's going to pop up these windows for you, right? Again, come to this side or look for anywhere that say create a business portfolio. Once you see the option that say create a business portfolio, you'll be able to create your business portfolio, right? Then click on create a business portfolio. Then let's just see um, um try mass 2025, right? Then I can say my name here is God bless, right? Enter your name here, then enter your surname here, right? Then you can enter an email address here, blueprint at gmail.com. Alright. Now we have entered our email address, so we can now click on um create. Alright, so create a business portfolio. Right, click on create. Okay, so once you have created your business portfolio, because without a business portfolio, you cannot create another account. So you need to create a business portfolio first. A business portfolio has this multiple ads accounts, right? It's just like having an estate with different houses, right? A business manager is like an estate, while the houses in the estate are your ads accounts, right? And you can have a lot of houses in one estate. You can have a lot of buildings, a lot of structures in one estate, right? So what we are building now, we are building the estate, which is the business portfolio, right? That's the first thing to do on business.facebook.com by clicking on create a portfolio. Once that is done, you will see nothing to claim here. Just click on skip, right? Of course, you have the full control because you just created it. Of course, you can add an employee, but you can just say next, right? Then click on confirm, right? Now we have created our business portfolio. You can see it here now. You can now see it here. It says no Facebook page or Instagram account. You don't have access to any Facebook page or Instagram account for GMAS 2025, which is the name of our business portfolio we just created now, right? So they will prompt you to go to settings. Of course, you can always navigate. You can always come back to your business uh, portfolio from here by clicking on this arrow here and choose your business portfolio, which is like your estate, all right, your house manager estate. Look at it now. Look at the one we just created. You can always click on this drop down arrow here and click select it. So you can even create another business manager. You can also create another business portfolio from here, which is also known as business manager too. Right. Now to create your hard account is very, very simple too. Either you click on go to settings from here, just click on go to settings from here, which they prompt you to go. Right, go to settings from here, or you can go to business.facebook.com/settings. You also find yourself here. Now this is where you can add a page. Right, this is where you can add a page. Just click on add page, and um, click on add page. You can decide to see add an existing Facebook page or create a new Facebook page. Let's assume your normal profile. If your normal profile have a Facebook account, let me show you now, which is your normal Facebook profile, facebook.com. Right, let me show you that quickly now. Okay, this is your normal Facebook profile, right? If your normal Facebook profile a page, let me show you that. Okay, come to pages. Okay, you can see that I have two pages here. Right, I have two pages here. But if I don't have any page, I can just click on create a new profile or page. Right, I'll just click on it. I'll see public page. I'll click on next. Right, click on get started. Right, I will just see page name here. I can enter page name here, enter your category here, and let's just see um, um, GMAS Academy, right? Required. I can see marketing here, marketing, advertising, and marketing. Of course, you want to choose your category of where your business belong. Of course, by you can click on create page, right? Now our page have been created successfully, which is we cannot use this page to run ads because you cannot use your normal profile to run ads. You must create a page on the normal Facebook account, right? So of course you can always edit your website, phone number, email, and change your profile picture, right? Now once I've created your Facebook page, your normal Facebook profile, right, which I just showed you now under your normal Facebook profile, you can now go back to business.facebook.com, right? Then you can click on add an existing Facebook page. Click on add an existing Facebook page, right? Then you can search for the page now. Look at the page you just created now, GMAS Academy. You can select the page here and you can click on next. Right. Once you click on next, so your name is already here. Click on next. Um, Click on I agree. Then click on add page. Right. Good. You have successfully added our page. Right. And you can decide to of course, already assigned. If you have not assigned yourself, you can just assign yourself, right? And give yourself full control and you assign that, right? Now you have added the page. What's next to add? You need to add your hard account, right? Now to come back to business, let me show you. To come back to this settings, in case if you did not see this page when you're creating the hard account, just come to let me close the tab now, right? For for those that are not too that are not familiar with this business manager, come to business.facebook.com/settings, right? /settings, then enter go, right? Now it's going to take you to this page, right? Now if you come to business.facebook.com/settings, you'll be able to create a portfolio for yourself, another one, by just clicking on create a business, right? Once you click on create a business, you can be able to create another business portfolio like the one we just created now for GMAS 2025, right? So let's just select the ad account you want to work, the business manager you want to work with, which is this one we created now. Select it, right? When you select it, you'll be able to come to the settings part of your ad account. See now that we have added a page, you can decide to add our Instagram profile. All right, just click on add Instagram. Click on add Instagram because when you want to run ads, you need an Instagram account to first as an identity to run on Instagram if you want to, right? You can click on add an Instagram account. Then you're going to see that you should log in your Instagram. Right? Once you log in your Instagram, You see, you look at it, you see login as once you log in your Instagram account, you're able to add your Instagram to your business portfolio. So that's just how you basically you do that. As long as you have an Instagram in the account, it's going to reflect, right? So how do you create an ad account? Come to settings here. Under settings, scroll down, you're going to see accounts. All right, click on the drop down arrow under accounts. You will see pages, ad accounts, and the rest of them. You will see Instagram account and WhatsApp accounts. All right, so to create an ad account is very simple. Click on add account. Right, click on add account. It's going to show no add accounts here. Click on add accounts. Then click create a new add account. All right. Then you can now decide to enter your add account name here. Gmail's add account one. I told you that yeah, your ad account is like your ad account is where you actually run an actual ad, right? So your ad account is like an house that houses different campaigns, right? Where the business manager is the estate, right? The estate can have a lot of ad accounts, right? Again, the business manager is like your estate, right? Which can houses a lot of houses, which is the houses now here is the ad account, which is what we are creating now. An ad account is now what you actually use to run the ads. We should say that an ad account is like people now, right? The people living in the house, right? Estate, estate, buildings, and people, right? Now we have built our estate, which is our business portfolio. Now I want to build houses in our estate, which is the ad account, right? So let's continue. Now, under the time zone, we want to select Lagos. You want to look for Africa or Lagos, something like that, right? Look at it, Africa, Lagos. Click on it. Depending on your country, right? If you are from Ghana, you want to select Ghana. If you are from Kenya, you want to select your time zone. If you are from United States, you want to select your time zone. Now the currency. If you are from South Africa, select South Africa rand here. But if you are a Nigerian, of course, you know what to do. You select your currency. So that you select Nigeria. Now click on next. You can see my business. Click on next. Of course, now you can see now that our ad account is linked to our business manager now, right? Which is we have built one house in our estate, right? Just click on I agree, click on create ad account. Right. From here you can add payment method, right? If you click on add payment, let me just show you. You can click on add payment method. Of course, Nigeria Naira Lagos. Click on next. And you can pay with bank transfer. Click on pay by bank transfer. You're going to see the button that was going to prompt you to continue. But I don't know why it's not displaying right now. But I'm going to show you how to pay later. Now you have created your ad account, which is where you used to run the ads. Now what's next? You have a page, all right? You have a page here. You can also decide to create a new page by clicking on add here. Then click on create a new Facebook page. If you want to create another page you want to use to be running ads tied to this business manager, right? You can just click on here, or you can go to your normal Facebook account and create the page from there, right? It's your choice. Remember, come to settings. Once you come to settings once you come to business.facebook.com /settings, click on the particular account you want to the particular business manager you want to use. Then on this windows, scroll down and look for accounts. Then click the drop down arrow on the accounts. You're going to see add accounts, right? You're going to see for pages. You're going to see for Instagram account. You're going to see for WhatsApp. To add a WhatsApp account is very simple. Click on WhatsApp account. Because if you want to run the WhatsApp ad, you need to add your WhatsApp account, right? They say no WhatsApp account added. Click on add to add your WhatsApp account. Decide to create a new business account, right? Or you can decide to link a WhatsApp business account. You can just click on link a business account. Then you can add your phone number here. Search for it. Okay, +234. I use +234 to search for it. Then I can enter my number here, right? Now, once I click on continue, WhatsApp is going to send me an OTP to my WhatsApp number, right? I want to enter the OTP. Once I enter the OTP, I will be able to add this account. I will be able to link my WhatsApp business account to this business manager I just created, and I will not be able to use it to run ads to my WhatsApp, right? So that's how you had your WhatsApp account. You can do the same too for your Instagram, which is coming to Instagram here, right? Once you come to Instagram here, once you come to Instagram here, you can click on add Instagram. Then they're going to prompt you to log in your Instagram account. All right, they're going to prompt you to log in your Instagram account. But then once you log in, you'll be able to add your Instagram. Right now we have added our page. Now we have pages, we have our accounts, and we have Instagram account, and we have even added our WhatsApp. Right now, what's next to do? What's next to do? Remember, all these settings are on business.facebook.com. One more time, let me show you again. Business.facebook.com /settings. Right. There's S after the settings. Click on go. You click on go. If you don't have a business account, you can click here to create. Of course, I've already created that when we started this video, right? So we just have to select the business manager, which is the estate we want to work with. When you select it, it's going to take us to this screen. All we have to do is to just scroll down and look where they say accounts, right? Look where they say accounts. This place. Now click on the drop down arrow. You're going to see pages, add account, Instagram account, and WhatsApp account. These are the things you need right now. All right. Now you can now click on page, add account. To create an add account, just click on add account to create an add account. Right. You can see the setup. They even have a setup guide for you. Once you come to settings, you are going to see the setup guide. Just click on all this to do all that. All right. You can even invite people. To fund the other account is very simple. Come to all tools. All right. This time, come to bring your mouse to the left side of your screen. Click on all tools. Click on ads manager. All right. Click on ads manager. This ads manager here. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to launch the new ad account you just created. All right. Okay, good. It's good. Now look at it. Okay, now on this drop down here, right, on the top of your screen here, click on the drop down icon here to select the ad account you want to fund or want to use, right? Especially if you have a lot of ad accounts, you want to select the right ad account. But if you have only one, or this account is a new account, by default, you are going to see the one you just created here. Right. Okay. Now this is the ad account, Jima's ad account, because it's just one on this business manager. Right. Now, let's assume that this option did not pop up. All you have to do is to just click on this card icon here. All right. Now bring your mouse. You're going to see an ATM card icon here, which is billing and payments on your house manager. Click on it. Okay. Now once you come to this part of your screen, you're going to see this. Right. Of course, you want to make sure that you select the right ad account. Now you now scroll down, you can now click on add payment method. Now on this part, just click on pay with transfer. No need of wasting your time using card. Depending on the country you are from, if card is what works for you, you have the card, you can select card, you can select pay in Visa, Viva, wherever. If you are in a country where debit and credit card works, select it. But since I'm using a Nigerian naira as an example, bank transfer works well in Nigeria. So click pay by bank transfer, click next, right? Click next. This is how you actually fund your hard account. Click next. Then you can click on skip if you don't have a VAT ID, right? Of course, you can enter the amount you want to fund with. Let's say you want to fund with 10,000, enter 10,000 here. Click on next. Then it's going to show these windows. Click open pay by bank transfer. Click on it. So it's going to generate a account number for you to pay with, right? Now just this is the account number it has generated. Transfer 10,000 naira to this account. The bank name is Paga, right? Transfer the money here. You know how to do transfer. Once you transfer this money, it's going to reflect automatically. You don't have to do anything again. Automatically, the money is going to reflect your hard account. You can now use it to run ads successfully, right? You want to make sure that you use a fast bank to transfer this money, like commercial banks. Don't use our normal, especially if you are in Nigeria, and don't use our normal commercial bank that are very slow. You want to use a bank that is very fast. All those, microfinance banks, right, that are very fast, so that the money is going to, so that the money does not hang, right? So once you pay the money, it's going to reflect, right? If you are using a phone, you can just click on this to copy the bank account number, the amount, the name, and you transfer. So that's how you basically fund your account. If I send this money here now, it's going to reflect on my hard account, and I can now start using it to run ad right away. But I don't want to do that since I'm just using this as an illustration. Now I've discussed how to create your hard account and how to pay. Right, with time you'll be able to create another hard account. Just come to bring your mouse here again to business settings. Right, bring your mouse here to business settings. Right, which is you can create more, you can build more houses in an hard account. Then scroll down, click on hard account. Right, you can decide to create another hard account by clicking on this. Right, you're going to create a new ad account. But since this is a new business manager, it will not allow you to create more than one. With time, they're going to increase your limit. You can create two You can create two hard accounts, three hard accounts. That means you have a lot of option, right? You have a lot of options. In case if one hard account got bad, in case if one hard account got bad, you can use the other one, right? So that is all for now, right? On my next video, okay, on my next video, I'm going to show you how to give um if you have to if you're a media buyer, how to get your clients to know give you access to their business manager easily so that you can work on their hard account without having to get their Facebook login details, right? And I'm also going to give you some guidelines before you create your first ad, especially if you just created your ad account newly. And I hope you find this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure you drop your thoughts in the comment section or the comment box of this video. All right. And till then, I'm going to see you on my next video. Peace.